This sound is me snoring. I had never heard it before until I recorded it, but every person that has slept next to me has suffered through it. That sound has ruined countless relationships for me. Okay, maybe that wasn't the only problem, but it was a big one. According to the National Sleep Institute, more than 90 million Americans suffer from snoring. And that doesn't even include everyone sleeping next to them. I